Hi, I'm Gavin from KindHuman Bicycles, and today we're going to talk about a celebration blitz. So a celebration blitz is when you do a behavior for 3 minutes. So what we do is we set our timer for 3 minutes, and then we do a behavior such as tidying up. And one of the experiences I would like to share with you is when I did this for tidying my kitchen. So what I did was I started by just tidying up everything in the kitchen. And every time I did one little movement, I would celebrate. So I would pick up a dish, I would celebrate. I would pick up a dish brush, I would celebrate. And everything, every little step. So even pump the soap, celebrate. Brush, scrub, celebrate. And what I found was as I kept going, my inhibitions around celebrations started to fade away and my celebrations got bigger and bigger. So when I started, it was a yes. Then it was like a woohoo. And I found that I just kept going and go bigger and bigger. And I started doing the floss dance, which I really suck at. I started high-fiving my kids, and this just naturally built for me. And the really cool thing that I found when I finished this was even a few weeks later, I found that cleaning the kitchen was something I started to enjoy a lot more. And I'm the type of person where I used to find cleaning a chore. And after doing this 3-minute exercise, it one helped with my celebration and reducing my inhibitions and celebrating my tiny habits. But I've also found that I actually enjoy cleaning the kitchen now. And so that was a nice unexpected bonus. So thank you so much for listening, and we'll see you again soon.